explore how human makes discussion accounting for emotional and cognitive factors and history background. The basic principles of discussion theory emerged in the 90th country and become formal spins in the 20th country with contributions from prominent figures like John von Neumann and Oscar Morgenstern through this development of game theory. Core principle discussion theory assumptions in the field are 1. Rational. They aim to maximize their expanded unity, satisfaction, or benefit. 2. Optimal. Discussions are made logically based on available information. Example, an investor chose an option that balances potential return and risk, such as selection a diverse portfolio. Slide 3. Key concept. The fundamental concept is discussion theory. 1. Uncertainty refers to situation where the outcomes of a discussion are not fully known. Example, a person discussion to open a new business cannot predict if the market will accept the product or service. 2. Probability. Probability is used to measure and describe the likelihood of different outcomes is reduced and quantified by assigning qualitative value. Example, with her first base 20% chance of rain, helping someone discussion to carry an umbrella. 3. Unity. Unity makes sure the value or justification an individual gains from a specific outcome in variant based on personal preference. Example, a risk averse individual may prefer guaranteed financial stability over potentially high but risk return from stock. Slide 4. Discussion making frameworks. Discussion theory offers structured frameworks to evaluate and make choice. 1. Example value or EFE definition, a method for collecting its weight average of all possible outcomes based on their probability. Use this help prioritize option with the highest exam value is the long run. Definition, a framework from making complex decisions involving multiple criteria or attributes. Step, identification attribute, EAG, or choice, or quality, or safety. Assign weight each attribute based on its importance. Evaluation each option based on the weight score. Example, choosing a car influences evaluating factors like price, value, effectivity, safety, and brand reputation. Slide 5. Heresy and bias. Heresy are mental shortcuts used to simply discussion making but can lead to cognitive bias. Key example include 1. Affability heresy. People overestimate the likelihood of even they are easy to recall. Example, after seeing news of a planned crash, a person may irrational believe their travel is very dangerous, even though statistically it is safer than driving. 2. Confirmation bias. Individuals tend to cite information that confirm their preceding belief while ignoring coordinated events. Example, a person who believes a specifically diet is effective may only read articles that support their view, disagreeing study the show otherwise. 3. Framing effect. Discussions are influenced by how information is presented, even if the understanding facts are identically. As an example, people are more likely to buy product label 100% fat direct one label con 5% fat discussion but being the same. Slide 6. Application of discussion theory. Discussion theory application across various fields to improve discussion making process. 1. Business. Uses help business make information discussion about investment, specific strategy, and marketing plan. Example, a company might and discussion theory to analyze customer behavior and optimize its pricing strategy to maximize profit. 2. Medicine uses assist in diagnosis, planning, treatment, and allocation healthcare research. Example, doctor use discussion treat to evaluate the risks and benefit of different treatment options for a patient with cancer. 3. Policy uses support policymakers in evaluating the potential impact of different policy, example condition, and cost-benefit analysis to discussion what her to important and new environmental regulation. Slide 7. Ethical consideration. Ethical play a crucial role in discussion, making ensuring fairness, transparency, and accountability. 1. Fairness discussion making process should unbiased promotion equitable outcomes for all stakeholders. Example, an algorithm used for hiring must ensure it does not discriminate based on gender, race, or other project critique. 2. Transparency. The criteria and process behind a discussion should be clear and understandable to effect. Example, government should often explain the reasoning behind new tax policy. 3. Accountability. Discussion maker must to responsibility for the outcomes of their choice. Example, business leaders should be held accountable in their discussion result in harm to employment of customer. Slide 8. Conclusion and future direction. Conclusion. Discussion theory has development in critical field for making logical and effective choice under encouraged. Advances in technology and behavior scans have been the model and application. Future direction. 1. Subset and model. Developing more advanced model to account for real world explain. 2. Ethical challenge. Addressing issues like fairness in all business discussion, making and ensure accountability in automated system. 3. Integration with AI. Using AI machine learning to inject predictive according and improve discussion making framework. Sekian, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.